Hi, I'm Tim and I'm from the locals at Ray White Kingsland. We've got a really special offering for you this week on the sunny slopes of Western Springs. This classic low maintenance family home is sure to tick the box for a huge part of our market, from first home buyers to downsizers and investors. Once inside, you'll be impressed with the accommodation on offer here. 4 bedrooms, 2 fabulous bathrooms and an open plan living that's perfect for entertaining. Step out onto a north facing deck and enjoy the wonderful outlook to the sky tower across the treetops. Fully fenced and easy to care for, the landscape grounds are ideal for busy professionals. Spend your downtime enjoying alfresco entertaining, not mowing and weeding. The doors will be open at 24A Bannerman Road this weekend, so come along and make sure you visit the special sanctuary.